My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the ransomware called Bpto. Bpto is a special ransomware that actually belongs to the DJVU ransomware family. This particular ransomware is able to considerably damage the files. My video is only for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting this ransomware. I'll just show you the negative impact of the ransomware on the files. So you have just clearly seen that before the ransomware attack, we were able to open our files without any complications. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and all other data. Unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this particular ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the device. And then it is not possible to use the files anymore. The ransomware encrypts files and damages them essentially. The ransomware then tells the victims that they should pay a special ransom for file restoration. But paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee that the files would be restored. So if you pay the ransom, you may just waste the money for nothing. Don't pay the ransom, don't waste the money. Pretty soon you will see the negative impact of this ransomware on the data. So it happened. We tried to open the specific file and we get this message saying that Windows cannot open this type of file with this Bpto extension. But you should not pay the ransom because paying the ransom does not guarantee the file recovery. We recommend you to immediately remove this ransomware with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the official website combocleaner.com, download the program, install the software, and then after it gets successfully installed, start researching and investigating the system. Combo Cleaner will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. Well, most likely the program will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of threats. We recommend that you choose the premium license, since this is the best solution to keep your data always under the protection. Combo Cleaner, however, does not decrypt files, but it helps to remove this ransomware and to protect your data in the future.